Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to explain class 10th poem Amanda, written by Klein. Childhood, a beautiful phase of life where we indulge in all our fantasies and do as we please. But as we reach the adolescence period, we are expected to leave such activities and do as we are told. The central idea of this poem revolves around a little girl named Amanda, who is constantly nagged by her parents for making mistakes. Every child loves freedom and doesn't like to be constantly instructed, controlled, or overprotected by their parents. In this poem, every alternate stanza is given in bracket to show the child's imagination. So let's start the poem. Don't bite your nails, Amanda. Don't hunch your shoulders, Amanda. Stop that slouching and sit up straight, Amanda. Here, slouching means to move lazily. In this stanza, Amanda's mother is instructing her to stop biting her nails and to not to bend her shoulders while walking or sitting. Moreover, her mother tells her not to sit lazily, to sit up straight. Now Amanda, who loves freedom, she finds a way to escape from all the scolding. She starts imagining. Let's see what Amanda imagines. There is a languid, emerald sea, where the sole inhabitant is me, a mermaid drifting blissfully. Now here, languid means relaxed or calm. Emerald is a bright green color. Mermaid is an imaginary sea creature having a woman's head and body with a fish tail. Drifting means moving slowly and blissfully means happily. Amanda imagines that she is in a relaxed and calm green sea which has a bright green color, and the only inhabitant is she. She is all alone there. There is no one else to constantly nag at her, and she imagines herself as a mermaid who is moving slowly and very peacefully in the sea, and she is very happy. Did you finish your homework, Amanda? Did you tidy your room, Amanda? I thought I told you to clean your shoes, Amanda. In this stanza, the mother is constantly asking questions to Amanda. She is asking Amanda that whether she has completed her homework, whether she has tidied her room, and whether she has polished her shoes, which her mother has already told her before. Now here, Amanda, who loves freedom, doesn't like all this, so she starts again imagining. Let's see this time what Amanda imagines. I am an orphan, roaming the streets. I pattern soft dust with my hushed bare feet. The silence is golden, the freedom is sweet. Orphan is a child whose parents are dead. Hushed means very quiet and still. Bare means uncovered. Now here, Amanda imagines herself as an orphan who is roaming around in the street all alone, and she is making patterns in the soft dust with her bare feet. And Amanda, who is a great lover of freedom, and she doesn't like anyone to constantly nag at her. So that's why she says that silence is golden and freedom is sweet. Don't eat that chocolate, Amanda. Remember your acne, Amanda. Will you please look at me when I am speaking to you, Amanda? Acne means pimple. Children love chocolates. And here the mother is telling Amanda not to eat chocolates. She is stopping her from eating chocolates. And she even reminds her about the pimples which she has on her face due to eating too much of chocolates. So the mother tells her not to eat chocolates. And while the mother is instructing her, Amanda constantly looks down. So the mother gets very angry. She says, "Look at my face, Amanda, while I am talking to you." Now let's see this time what Amanda imagines. "I am Rapunzel. I have not a care. Life in a tower is tranquil and rare. I will certainly never let down my bright hair." Here tranquil means calm and quiet. Rapunzel is a fairy tale character who was captured by a witch in a tall tower. Rapunzel was very beautiful, who had long golden hair, and every time she had to let down her hair through the window for the witch to climb up the tall tower. So now, here Amanda imagines that she is Rapunzel and in a tall tower, and she says, "Life in a tall tower would be very calm and quiet and also very rare, where no one will be there to curtail her freedom." She says that she will never let her hair down for anyone to climb up the tall tower. "Stop that sulking at once, Amanda. You are always so moody, Amanda. Anyone would think that I nagged at you, Amanda." Here sulking means bad temper. Nagged means harass. Now here, Amanda's mother tells her that stop that bad temper, to stop being moody. The mother wants the daughter to be happy. She tells her that one day this kind of behavior will make people think that the mother is constantly harassing Amanda, which the mother doesn't like at all. It's true that parents are responsible for the proper upbringing of the child, but one should know how to strike a balance between maintaining responsibilities and taking good care. Now let's discuss the poetic devices of this poem. The rhyming scheme of this poem is AABA, a repetition of words in the beginning of two or more lines is known as anaphora. In this poem, the word don't is repeated in both the lines, so it is an anaphora. In the next line, "Don't hunch your shoulders, Amanda." There is a repetition of vowel sound O, so it is an assonance. In this line, "Stop that slouching and sit up straight." There is a repetition of consonant sound S, so it is an alliteration. I hope you have understood this poem. If you have any queries, please write in the comment box. Do like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you very much.